Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing something super fun, as you can tell, because we're all blindfolded and no one can see anything. Nope. We actually have pumpkins. We're going to be blindfolded, not for the pumpkin part, but we are actually going to pick 5 items out of a random box of goodies, and we have to decorate our pumpkin with those 5 items. We have 20 minutes. If you're ready to watch us have a lot of fun, then go ahead and keep on watching.
So fun fact, there are 2 buckets, not 1, ladies. You get to pick 3 items from 1 bucket and 2 from another. Oh, you got it.
Oh my god, I don't like it already.
Ew, stop. Ew. Why is it making sounds? Grab one more, Courtney.
Prize! I win!
Grab one more item.
Why are you touching my face? What is this? I'm gonna punch you.
You ladies have to grab 1 item. These are heavier out of this bucket. Grab a bag of your choice. Grab a bag.
This is a big ass bag. This is a big ass bag. What the hell?
What the? Is that a weave in my bag? I'm crying. Oh my gosh, you got a bag.
It's petroleum jelly! Are you kidding me? Okay.
Pat! I got this. Aubrey, hold yours up. Hold on, we're not showing what it is. She has to use mayo, and instead of glitter, she gets to stick kitty litter.
Oh, so my weave goes on with
litter.
petroleum jelly?
Gross.
Sick, man.
So I have Cheerios and baby turkey and gravy, baby.
Yum.
Susie, you want some Cheerios?
All right, ladies. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1.
I don't know what to do with the pads.
I have freaking baby. I don't.
What?
I don't know. Oh, I have a knife.
Kayline, does it bring back memories?
She likes arts and crafts.
I do like arts and crafts.
Can't relate. I don't know what the theme is here. I don't know. I'm like, do I make a face? Like, I don't even know. I got too many eyeballs to make it one face. Make like 12 faces. I don't want to touch this with my hand. Oh man.
Can I have a man to open this for me?
Oh, you what?
Christopher? Courtney? Thanks,
Hey, you are, sweetie.
This
smells so yummy over here. I can't smell anything.
God awful.
See, Kayline was lucky enough that she got the knife with her eggs.
Yeah.
So she doesn't have to use her hand.
Oh, don't. Wait. Okay, I got this. I'm sure you do.
This smells so disgusting.
It looks just have a napkin now.
I'm gonna vomit. I'm literally gonna vomit.
I'm gonna vomit just looking at it. I'm so thrown off by all of this. Oh, drawing a blank right now. It's very stressful. It's too early in the morning for this kind of stress.
This is not what I had planned for decorating pumpkins.
I don't know.
Not at all. I was
I already
thinking
got glue everywhere.
markers and paint and like cute things, and not this.
Right? I feel like I'm still gonna cover it up. I'm falling apart over here.
You're doing great, sweetie. This smells so awful. I cannot even explain it. You feed your children this?
Wait,
I would never feed my child
the
this.
hair. Ugh. Shoot. I can't. I'm too stressed.
Do we have? Can Jenna play some music?
Yeah,
I guess we
this
can't play music.
Halloween music.
Yeah.
Some spooky stuff, you know? Halloween.
I don't know.
I feel like you guys all have a plan.
I don't.
I thought I had a plan, now I'm drawing a blank. Because the pads are throwing me off.
I don't have to use like all of the contents though. I
jelly actually
item,
even
right?
make. Yeah. First off, whose hair is this?
It looks like Susan's.
Really?
Yeah, from her wig. From the 80s party that she didn't wear.
Alrighty then.
Perfect. Sorry.
Why is she punching me? Things are happening. Can I like a napkin or something?
I thought about that too. I got a pad.
Can I have a napkin? Is that a thing?
Did you draw it out of one of your buckets?
No.
Ew! At least mine doesn't have a scent. Oh yes, it's sick, man. Oh, totally. Oh, honey, you're gonna have gorgeous hair when we're done with you.
It's like my fart putty. What am I supposed to do with this?
Oh yeah. I love it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the fart putty either. Maybe just decoration on the top. Ew. Does it not break apart?
No, it does.
No, I don't think it does.
Yours doesn't.
Well, there goes that idea. We'll come back to that one later.
It looks like it was meant to be that way, you know?
Wow, yours really separates. Look, this is getting good, man. I hate hair! The glue and the cotton. Wow, that's creative to rip a pad apart. Never thought of that
This
one.
isn't like expired or anything, right? It's like.
What? Courtney's yours looks so fun! I got gum. I thought about spitting it out.
And he's upside down. You're a loser.
Dude, I would totally eat some, but my gum and that is just not going to mix well. That is the nastiest thing I have ever seen. Yours just is food. This looks so appetizing. Well,
Does it
too much,
really?
Too much.
It's like eggs and Cheerios and like turkey bacon. Gross.
Too much. Oh man. How much time do we have left?
Yeah, I'm curious.
I'm getting warm in this trash bag.
Me too. You're 10 minutes.
Wow.
You're halfway through.
I feel like we're making.
This time is just going by so
I mean,
fast.
if you're done before 20 minutes, you're welcome to stop.
I need the full 20 minutes, please.
I definitely need the whole full 20 minutes. I still have no idea what I'm doing.
Same.
I'm just putting the stuff on there.
I had a plan going into this, and I feel like my plan is still
Working out for you?
working out.
I'm so
Oh,
glad,
Julia.
Kaylee. Can't relate. I had no plan going into this.
That's why I told you to get on Pinterest. I was on
But
Pinterest.
we had no idea when we were
I
gonna
was
pull
on
out.
Pinterest. You could have looked at my computer.
How would I have known I was going to be sticking on a weave with petroleum jelly on a pumpkin?
Ah! Please don't fall over.
No, it's sticking.
Please don't
What's
fall
not
over.
sticking?
Aw,
Oh.
cute. No, stay on. I feel like this is well, no. Wow, we're just going to keep going around all the way to the front here. Oh, it just keeps coming apart. It's grossing me out. Okay. The
That's
weave
gonna be-
is fully attached. I'm stumped right now. I shouldn't have done the petroleum jelly first, because now I gotta touch everything else. I used one of my pads to wipe my hands. This is a new first for me. What do you do? Gross. Oh, just touched my hair.
I hate these.
No. Dang it. I'm going with it. It is warm.
I
Yeah,
feel
it is.
perfect.
I'm sure you do.
Really?
Oh, my hands are so greasy that I don't even grab
I
things.
used the whipped cream by putting it in my mouth.
Yeah.
My whipped cream is melting. I would like products that don't melt things. Also,
Ay, 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 ay. Oh, my eyeballs are moving.
there's a hair in mine.
Sorry.
I think it's a dog hair, actually.
Oh, okay.
I think it came from my house.
That could happen. This is so bad.
I feel like everything I got to has just no color to it. Oh, maybe I could put this on there.
I got lots of color. If I lift this up, is my whole weave gonna come off? Ew, it's all over its face. Do we have to name them too?
There's a hair in mine. It's from your weave!
I'm sorry.
A mouth.
Okay, I think I'm done. I'm pretty happy with
No.
it. I don't want to touch it. My hands are disgusting.
And it's a 5-minute warning. About a 5-minute warning. 5 minute, 45 seconds. Make sure everything's on your pumpkin.
I'm stressed.
It feels like chopped right now.
Did you use all the things in your basket?
I did. No, I didn't. Oh, I lied.
Say goodbye to the wings.
I don't want to touch things because my hands are gross.
You want a pad? Here's my wipe. Oh my gosh, this is
the weirdest
really
wipe I've ever
gross.
used.
Yeah, same.
But I'm very willing to use it.
Can I borrow some of your props? I need a Sharpie.
Mine is melting. Can we judge mine right now because it's melting?
I can't hold on. My hands are too slippery.
I gave it to Elisa. Can you take a picture so it doesn't melt?
It's literally dripping.
I know. Please take a photo.
Not of me. Oh man, I'm going to the petroleum jelly.
You have nails too. It's getting
You look at the hair. Petroleum jelly. I wish I would have just gone for that in the beginning. Sick. Look at like. Gross. Where's that pad? Really? You stained it yellow.
I'm sorry. Do you want some yolk?
No. Nope. I'm good.
How about an eggshell?
I'm not real hungry right now.
Cheerios? I got Cheerios. Lisa? Lisa?
Done. Should we turn it around?
Mine's turned around. Here's this one. I love yours. This.
Hello! Is that the front of it?
Yeah.
Wow!
I don't know what's at the
So
front.
rude.
Aubrey's looks like a winter wonderland.
Right, like pumpkin. Like
Yeah.
everything I grabbed was white.
Mine's a donut.
Mine, I don't know what it is. I don't even know how to describe this.
You're all dirty.
Can we see the back of it? You want to see the weave? There it is.